Hello, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think so that everyone is fine. Okay, let's discuss on the different topic. Today I'm going to discuss about CRT. Let me explain. CRT stands for Campus Recruitment Trainings. For those students, for those who are pursuing their BTech, MTech, MBA from any college, any universities, there is a process of HR and GD. I'm talking about this thing. GD stands for group discussion, and especially I will talk about placement after completing BTech, after completing MTech, MBA. There is a big problem of the communication skills, and many students face this problem very much. So in the placement, many type of questions are asked, and students are not able to respond very well, and they are rejected from the placement and not able to get a job from any company. The company will not recruit them because why company will hire them? They do not have sufficient ability to speak, so that's why they rejected. So many kind of questions are asked while placement. So I'm going to discuss some of the questions here. First question asked in GD. GD means GD stands for group discussion, and I'm talking about interview skills while asked in the placement. The placement panel sit, it means there is a panel of 5 people, 6 people. They sit in front of the student and they asked many kind of questions, not only related to subject. They asked the other questions that related to aptitude level, their ability level, their capability levels. So I'm going to discuss some of the questions are here. In the last year, before the COVID-19, some of questions were asked to the student and the student were not able to answer. So I'm going to discuss those questions here. So listen careful. I think so that many students will get benefit from this. First question I'm going to discuss with that is quite different, related to politics or political science. Okay. First question were asked, do you satisfy or do you favor the central government's policy? But this question was quite different. Nobody was able to understand that what kind of questions they are asking. Do you satisfied, yeah, do you favor the central government's policy? Any policy, like the policies, demonetizations, cashless policy, and any policy which center is going to implement. Many questions remain silent. They do not know what kind of answer. Some students say, yes, sir, we are strongly satisfy, we are strongly favor the central government's policy that is the favorable to us. Then the next question they ask her regarding these questions, not separate the question. They ask her the questions, give 10 reasons why are you satisfied, and which policy do you favor, like demonetization? What do you understand about demonetization? How can you explain the demonetization? It will be beneficial for country. Yeah, do you favor the cashless economy? Many students respond, sir, we strongly favor the cashless economy. It's very beneficial. We are going to digitalize the India. But they are asking the reasons. And if the student is saying, sir, we are not satisfied, we do not favor the central government policy, we do not favor the state government policy. What I'm saying, we do not favor the state government policy. They asked, why don't you give 10 reasons that you not favor the central government as well as state government policy? Do you have any reasons to explain? So they are watching your aptitude level, that what kind of response you are able to give. And I'm talking about next questions, like they asked, what do you understand about GST? Many students even do not know what is the full form of GST, goods and service taxes. And some questions were asked regarding to GDP, gross domestic products. How much GDP we get from agriculture sector, from industry sector, from tertiary sectors. So you have to prepare like these questions if you want to get success. If you are not preparing these questions, you will not able to get success. So just communication skills matter a lot. Without communication skill, you cannot get success. So CRT stands for campus recruitment training, but CRT stands for communication training. Okay, what I'm saying you. So make your strong communication skill that in front of will affect, influence a lot more. And in next video I will talk how to respond, how to give your introduction, and what kind of strategy you have to apply to give introduction. So that's all. Have fun. That's all, guys.